So in this uh, diagram, this is the graph for cos x. Okay, so the cos x, normally the domain for the function is the x between 0 and the 360 degree, and the range for f is the cos x is between -1 and 1, because the maximum value here is 1 and the minimum value here is -1. Okay, so in the exam, if we have the cos x equal to 2, then this one no solution. And if we have the cos x equal to -3, which is out of the range, then this one also no solution. The reason is because the cos x is between -1 and 1. Okay, if we have the cos x equal to 0, so we have 1, 2, two solutions. Then the x will be the 90 degree and 270 degree. If we have the cos x equal to 1, then x will be 0 degree and 360 degree. And we have the cos x equal to -1, then the x will be the 180 degree. So this three is special case that when we solve for the triangle value, okay, where we will get the value from the graph instead of using the uh, calculator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this 5 point. So 1 we have 0 and 360, 0, 90 and 270, -1 is 180. Okay. Then if we have some spatial angle, like we have the cos x equal to half, then this basic angle will be the arc cos of half, that is 60 degree. So this one we have to memorize. ASTC cos positive will be theta and 180. So this one is 360 minus theta. Okay. So for this one, we will have the x equal to 60 degree, and then the 360 minus 60, that is the 300 degree. But if we have the cos x equal to -0.5, then the basic angle will be the arc cos of 0.5, then it is 60 degree also. But for the negative will be the second and the third. So this is the 180 minus and this is the 180 plus. So we will have the x is 180 minus 60 and the 180 plus 60. So we have 120 and 240. So for this one, we have the arc cos of half, okay, is equal to 60 degree. And then we have the arc cos of 0.5, it is also 60 degree. Okay. Then next, if we have the cos x equal to square root 3 over 2, then the basic angle will be the arc cos of square root 3 over 2, which is 30 degree. So we have the arc cos of square root 3 over 2, then it is 30 degree. Okay. So we have the ASTC cos positive will be the theta and the 360 minus theta. So the x will be 30 degree and 360 minus 30. Then it is 30 and 330. If we have the cos x equal to negative square root 3 over 2, then the basic angle will be the arc cos of square root 3 over 2 also. So this one will be the 30 degree. So cos negative will be the second and the third quadrant. So it will be the 180 minus theta and the 180 plus theta. So the x will be the 180 minus 30 and the 180 plus 30. So we have the 150 and 210. And last, if we have the cos x is equal to 1 over square root 2, Then the x will be this one is a basic angle, will be the arc cos of 1 over square root 2, then it is 45 degree. And we have the ASTC, so this is theta and the 360 minus theta. So the x will be the 45 degree and 360 minus 45. So it's 45 degree and 315 degree. And if we have the cos x is negative square root 2 over 2. So the basic angle will be square root 2 over 2. This one also 45 degree. So just now we have the arc cos of 1 over square root 2. So is 45 degree. And then we have the arc cos of square root 2 over 2. So we have the square root 2 over 2. This one also 45. Okay. So the x is negative second and the third, 180 minus and the 180 plus. So we have the 180 minus 45 and the 180 plus 45. So this is 135 and the 225 degree. Okay.